Up next on Good Taste, a tiny country kitchen where gourmet food is served on paper plates, along with plenty of personality.
It's the big butt ballet.
It's a dance you don't want to miss. Tech jobs brought this young couple to Texas, but their passion for all things Parisian will turn your diet upside down. So what are you eating right there?
Oh gosh, you had to point it out. My wife is gonna kill me.
And you'll love every tasty minute of it. Plus, heads of state have dined here.
Well, the G7 summit was signed here, and you know, the Bushes used to live here.
And now you can have a seat here too. We'll take you inside the historic manor house, where delicious food is only half the story. Good Taste starts now. Hi everyone, I'm Tanji Patton. Welcome to Good Taste. I travel the state every week to find you the best spots to try. Call it an insider's look at delicious dining. I want to take you to Tarpley, Texas, to a tiny roadside kitchen that's big on taste. Get ready to have fun, y'all. We're going to Mac Ernie's. It's a beautiful drive through the Texas hills to get to Mac Ernie's. The really small restaurant is about 10 minutes west of Bandera. Blink and you'll miss it.
Gas out. The sausage is coming right behind.
That's Naylene, the owner, the chef, the gal who makes things happen. A lady whose talent and personality make Mac Ernie's a true hill country find. For folks who've never been to Mac Ernie's, what's it like at Mac Ernie's?
It's pretty laid back and low key. It's my party. I like to have fun.
I like that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have
You
fun.
like to have fun too.
I absolutely like to have fun.
I've heard that about you.
It's a well-kept secret. Mac Ernie's is all about fun.
We're loving it. Enjoying the food. We're having some catfish and shrimp tonight.
Friendly, laid back, and the food is fantastic.
Everything's homemade.
Everything.
We make everything. We make our tartar sauce, we make our red sauce, we make all the sauces on the meat, we make our salad dressing, I cut the steaks, I cut the lamb, I cut the fish, we peel the shrimp. You name it, we do it.
It's all done in this tiny little kitchen,
I'm about a minute off on those 4 fish.
thanks to a hard-working team.
That drum to go is on. The veg for those next 3 is not. 5. Those 5 are on. We send out with just this small staff 150 plates a night.
150 plates a
With
night?
the 5 of us.
Whoa. Are you just wiped out at the end of the night?
We're pretty tired. There's usually beer involved.
Well, that probably helps.
It does. It really does.
Before this tiny crew is able to pop open a cold one, they gotta keep the catfish frying.
Okay, it's gonna be turn and burn, Geraldine.
And the grill going with its sizzling steaks, fish fillets, and Bandera farm-raised quail. It's a menu that can change in a heartbeat. So how do you choose what goes on your menu?
What I'm hungry for.
Really?
Yes, and you'll never see black-eyed peas on my menu or lima beans.
Usually, cabrito is on the menu, sourced from a tiny farm right across the street.
We're out of cabrito right now because the coyotes ate all my market goats. For real, they did.
One of the most popular dishes here, one that stays on the menu, are those grilled quail, covered in a smoky and sweet ancho chili honey sauce.
Fire. I came up with this ancho chili honey based sauce that I put on the quail, and that's one thing I can't change. People, there would be mutiny or
Another winner on the menu the night we were there, the toasted walnut and blue cheese duck sausage with pickled red onions and blueberries.
You don't expect to find this type of gourmet fare in a little place like Tarpley, but that's what makes the hill country of Texas so enticing.
Kind of a big difference between Tarpley, Texas and Brooklyn.
Yeah, I would say so. But maybe polar opposites, but they're both awesome. So.
Speaking of awesome, the desserts, they sell out fast. Yet another reason Mac Ernies has been cooking strong for 16 years. How did you build the business? You told me that one
Trust.
of Trust?
Trust. It was built on the trust that every time you came and ate at Mac Ernies, because it's a drive to get here from anywhere, that you were going to get a good meal.
Naylene is the best. And coming up, I'm going to show you how to make that delicious ancho chili honey sauce. You can use it on all kinds of things. But first, royalty dined at this Texas spot. Now you can too. A beautiful house with delicious food. And the secrets to a delicate Parisian cookie come down to this.
And you can feel when it's the right consistency.
Magnificent macarons, and so much more when we come back. Good things come from Cisco.